Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you all the users settings that you can manage from the smartphone application in Bosch Dishwasher SMV. So in the first tab, open your app, tap on your dishwasher and click on the settings. There we have a lot of options to edit that you can also edit with the control panel, but with the smartphone application it's more comfy. Then you can turn on the automatic intensive dry, info light, rinse side settings, the sensor settings, the water connection if you want to switch the water to the cold or hot supply, the automatic default start program. You can also manage the rinse aid dosage and the signal volume. You can also manage the water soft settings and the automatic remote control. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like, recommend, and goodbye.